guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another edition of Tool Tech Tuesday. It has been just a little bit since I had done a tool video. I do apologize for that. Got just a bunch of different things going on for the channel, for the house, and just a multitude of things going on. We are actually doing a kitchen and bath renovation in the house, and some clips coming up. I'm going to be showing some uses of this product. What this is a screwdriver from a company called TackLife. It's a new company to me, new tool to me. I'm going to be doing hopefully a partnership with them, working with them right now on doing a partnership, bringing some more of their products to the channel to show everything that they have to offer. They do have a multitude of products. You can go to their website, link is in the description. They also have an Amazon store, that link is in the description. Scrolling right there beside me is just everything that, well, not everything, just a few things that you can see that they have on their Amazon store. So if you get a chance, check out the link in the description for their Amazon store and also their website. They are on Facebook, and I believe they are on Instagram also. So like I said, this is their screwdriver. It is a 4-volt max 1500 milliamp hour battery. Runs at about 200 RPM at 40 inch-pounds. You can see in some clips I'm going to have coming up that it's a pretty nice tool. I mean, it is a screwdriver, it's quarter drive. It is not a drill, I mean, it's not a impact driver. It is a screwdriver. But you can see on the one clip there that's, like I said, coming up, I did actually take a Phillips screw and run it with no preset or no pre-drilling into one of the old 2x4s inside the house. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed and show you everything that comes inside. Alright, like I said, this is a company called TackLife. This is their screwdriver that they have to offer. They have two different screwdrivers to offer. This is their cheaper one. This comes in right about 20 bucks. Inside the box, you're going to have the screwdriver itself. It is reversible either side. It does have an LED light, and it does have a battery indicator on top. It also does come with a 9-piece Phillips and flat screwdriver set, and also a driver adapter. You got your micro USB charge cable, which makes it kind of nice. You can take it pretty much every place, because pretty much every place nowadays does have a USB port someplace. Got your instruction manual, just like everything else. It's several different languages in there. Then you have a thank you card for purchasing, and it does come with extra warranty you can purchase if you want to. It does fit in the hand rather nice. Not too terribly loud, just standard screwdriver. Each one of these, this is magnetic, and also that end is magnetic also. I'm gonna put some clips in here now of me using this screwdriver. Was rather impressed on how well it did and how well it worked. Like I said, I was able to take and run a Phillips screw into the old 2x4s within my house. My house was built in '49, so that's when lumber was actually lumber. So for $20, like I said, I was rather impressed. Recapping, it's a 4-volt battery, 1500 milliamp hour. It's 200 RPMs at 40 inch-pounds of torque. Pretty impressive for just a compact little tool. So if you guys get a chance, check out their website below and also their Amazon store. Links are in the description. So for now, that's pretty much going to do it. If you don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll see you guys in the next one.